I like my money crazy, man, out of control.
New app alert. New app alert, family. New app alert. Well, to be honest, it's not really a new app. It's not really a new app, fam. But I knew about this app for a while. I just never really gave it the opportunity because I was so indulged in Amazon. And so I just never really gave this app the opportunity. But it's pretty cool. It's okay. It has its up and downs. So let me talk about what the app actually does. If you guys have books, yeah, books is one thing, but if you can sell them on Amazon, I would rather just sell the books on Amazon if they make you a good profit. But if not, you can always check this app. CDs, if you have old CDs, or you know where you can get a bunch of old CDs, hopefully you can get it for really cheap. Like I'm talking about, if you ever went to a garage sale and they got a box of CDs and they're willing to sell you the whole box for like $5, $10, grab them all just for this type of. This is what this app is for. It's for stuff like that. Now, DVDs, CDs, books, what else? Oh yeah, phones, old phones, they can be cracked, old game consoles, Nintendo, Sony, Wii, all that stuff. You know what I mean? What else? Apple Watches. I'll just show you guys. It's better if I just show you. But here's my little collection so far. And the cool thing about this app. Wait, let me just show you. Let me just show you first. Some of you guys may have heard of this app. Some of you, it's gonna be brand new. So let's go to my account. Let me see. Alright, family, so the app is called oh shoot, shut off. So the app is called Declutter. Alright, this is what it's called, Declutter. Now, it's really simple. All you do is scan. You have to have the barcode for books, for DVDs, and for CDs. You have to have the barcode. They have to be in the case. You have to at least have the case. And it has to have a barcode, guys, like this. All right, where's it at? See that barcode up there? So, for example, and you don't make much with this app, so it's good to have a lot, like a bulk of stuff. All right, so let's say you click this button right here, right? Where's it at? Right here. Sell CDs, DVDs, books, and games. Oh yeah, you can sell games too. I forgot. I got a few games in here. So you just go over it, and it'll tell you if you got a winner or not. You see that green, it didn't focus fast enough, but let me do it again for you. Hold on. Well, it's saying oops now because I already have it listed, and because you can't list the same item twice. Alright, basically guys, this is what happens. You scan all the movies, books, games, and everything, and it puts them into this little folder, right? And the cool thing about this app is you don't have to pay to ship it to them. You don't have to pay for labels. You just print it out, put it on the box, put everything in the box, send it to them, and then they'll direct your money to either your bank account or PayPal or check. You can choose. See, right now my profits is at only $11.08. I have about how many items? 27 items right here. So that's the thing, guys. It's not like a, you know, some of these items are like going for like $2-3, but most of them are like 30 cents, 15 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents. These are really old movies and games and stuff like that no one really buys anymore, but it's cool to get rid of them for money. You're not going to be able to get rid of them that easy. You probably end up either throwing them away or trying to get rid of them on eBay but never selling them because they just don't have a demand anymore. But this company will actually buy them from you. They used to buy everything, but now from what I was told, that they're starting to wind down on it because so many people started sending in stuff. And so these are all the items so far that they just didn't accept, but these are all the ones they did accept, and I wasn't using them anyway, and they're gonna make me $11 so far. Now here's the cool thing. You can save it, your listing, right? So once you scan it, once you scan all your bulk of items, if you're not ready to send it all in yet, you can keep adding to it. You can get a freaking box as big as you want, right? You can just keep adding to it. and you can send it in when you're comfortable, guys. So right now I'm at $11, so I'm not gonna send this in no time soon. Maybe when I go to the Goodwill or the thrift shop. This is a good idea for the thrift shop, because you can walk in there and say, hey, look, I'll buy all of the books over there or all of the CDs over there for a flat price, and maybe they'll hook you up. And then yeah, you just take them home and you scan them all, or you can scan them there, and if you find profits, you can say I'll buy them all, right? But yeah, guys, this is just another app that I'm using just to make some quick money, guys. Like literally, I don't have to do anything but keep stacking this up. I have this one saved, and here's the cool thing about this app. Here's the cool thing. When you do scan something and it pops up as $2 or $1 or more, you want to check it on eBay, because that means it's like a really high demand probably for that one still. So like these are the items that popped up as like $2 or $1 or more. These three right here, I checked them on eBay, and I'm gonna make 10, 11 bucks on each of those on eBay. So that's pretty cool. So, but usually $1 and less, you want to just keep them listed on this app, Declutter. Now, like I said, if they go over $1, check them on eBay, because you probably can make more money. Yeah, guys, and it's just that simple. You just scan and scan and scan and scan, and then you send it in when the profits are worth it to you. But you're not going to spend anything on shipping anyways. You're not going to spend anything on picking or packing unless you got to go buy a box. But besides that, guys, you're not going to have to spend no extra money. So this is not something, like I said, this is not something that I would actually source for. It's just a good app to have the choice to use, you know, if you need to. So like, I had a bunch of DVDs just laying around my house that I'm gonna get rid of them anyway, so I'm gonna get money for them now. Like, I'm at $11, but what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna just keep these in a bag, put them to the side, and whenever I find stuff that I can upload to this Declutter app, once I hit like 100 bucks, then I'll probably send it all in, maybe 50 to 100, and then I'll send it all in, and then they'll forward me my money, so to my PayPal. So that's how that works. It's a cool new app, guys. Like I said, you don't need anything to have the app. You can just download it. It's called Declutter with let me see, guys. I'm gonna go to the top so you guys can actually see. There it is at the top, guys. That's how you spell it, Declutter. And yeah, so just a quick little app you guys can use. So if any of you guys got like a bunch of CDs at the house, or a bunch of DVDs or books or anything like that you want to get rid of them through this app, guys. And also you can make a lot of money. They even advertise this as the better way anyway if you sell tech. Like, now if I go to the tech column, you see iPhones, Samsung phones, cell phones of all different types, Apple computers, game consoles, tablets, iPods, the watches, and that's pretty much it. You see, that's all they have for tech. But like I said, you can go into any one of these. Like, let's go to old game console. Let's do the model. Let's do Sony, because I actually have a PlayStation. Then the model, let's see, I got an old PS3. I don't know how many megabytes it is, or gigabytes, but look, 46 bucks, you know what I mean? So if you have an old PlayStation laying around, you don't want it, list it, send it in, make some money really quick, guys. Yeah, fam, so that's just a quick app alert. Yeah, Declutter. If you guys have any questions about this app, just comment down below. I kind of like rushed through that just to show you guys really fast, but it's really, really easy to use. Like I said, I've heard of this app before. I just never really gave it a chance because I was doing things with Amazon so much, but now I'm taking my own advice and just kind of like doing different things, doing different avenues of reselling, guys. So it's eBay, Declutter, Amazon, Poshmark, OfferUp. There's so many more. There's so many more, guys. And that's the way to really do it, and that's the way to crush it. Like, just to be on all platforms and just list crazy, just list stuff, guys, and people will buy. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's just a quick one. If you guys have any questions about this app, just comment down below and I'll answer your questions because like I said, I know I just went through that really fast. Now, earlier today, what me and my wife went to go do, we're looking for some office space. So yeah, guys, check that out. Peace. Alright, so let me give you guys a heads up where I'm at right now. We're at apartments, guys, to see if we can find something new, because we need space for the companies, right? My wife has a company. She doesn't, you know, she works at the hospital right now, but she's gonna do her own home-based business. I don't know if she wants me to talk about what the business is right now, but yeah, so we're looking at apartments right now to see where we can, like, just like kind of like office space. It'll be strictly just for like our businesses, so I'm probably gonna have just one room in there where I do my thing, but the rest of it is gonna be for her. So that's where we're at right now. Let's go check it out.
Do you like the environment?
Yeah, the environment is cool, but these guys are loud. You guys are loud. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. Because this is just a model place right here, and it's not even a model of what you can get. This is just the office. They said none of them are open like this, because if they were open like this, then this would be crazy. But we're gonna go look to see how open they can be, but I wish it was like this. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. And I'm like, man, what? We can't get this one? And they was like, no, this is just the office.
After you make it, it actually pushes it back in there, so you don't need to take it.
Oh, okay. Is this a, what type of machine is this?
That is a FLAVIA copy machine.
FLAVIA, guys. You guys, I'm about to link that in the description. Get yourself a FLAVIA.
Has anyone helped you yet?
This is.
We're waiting for her to come. We're waiting for her to tour.
Okay.
Go get yourself a FLAVIA machine, because it made the hot chocolate in 2.5 seconds. Go get yourself a FLAVIA machine, guys. Look, this machine right here, you just put the thing in, you put the thing in here, all different types of packets you can use. Coffee, hot chocolate, tea, all different types of tea, vanilla, French vanilla, all different types. You just put the packet in here, press the button, 2 seconds is done. Go get yours, link in the description. But yeah, we need office space. She's running a company.
Do you want, I'm going to show you a couple pictures here in the office room. Do you want to have a seat here?
She's running a company. That lady right there, I don't even know who that is. Her, I don't know who that is. She running the company, and I got some business to handle. You guys all know I need a nice office. That's make or break it for me. I really don't care about this, how big it is right now, even though I do want, actually I'm lying, I do care about how big it is right now. But here's the thing, this is a temporary, I don't know if they should know that, but this is a temporary space for us to just run as an office. It's gonna bring us income, but we're saying that we're living there.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control.